Two students on skateboards are moving towards each other. Student 1 moves to the right with a momentum of 300 kilograms times meters per second, and student 2 moves to the left with a momentum of 450 kilograms times meters per second. If after the collision, student 1 moves to the left with a momentum of 100 kilograms times meters per second, what momentum and direction does student 2 have? All right, so the first thing that we should do here is label before and after, draw a picture, give ourselves an idea of what's going on. So let's start with before. Over here, I have two people, both of which are on skateboards. I know that person 1 and 2 have different momentums. Person 1 has a momentum of 300 kilograms times meters per second to the right. That means it's a positive value, so 300 kilograms times meters per second. Person 2 has a momentum of 450 kilograms times meters per second, but this time to the left, which means it's negative. So negative 450 kilograms times meters per second. Afterwards, I still have two people, still both on skateboards, and they should each still have a momentum. We know that after the collision, student 1 is moving to the left with 100 kilograms times meters per second. So still number 1, still number 2. Now we have a momentum of negative 100 kilograms times meters per second because it's to the left. And in order to find the P, or the momentum of person 2, I need to know my P net, or my net momentum. So P net on the left needs to equal P net on the right. So 300 plus negative 450 gives me a net of negative 150 kilograms times meters per second. Over here, same P net. That means that together 1 and 2 need to have a total value of negative 150. So what that looks like, P net is equal to P1 plus P2. And in our case, P net, negative 150 kilograms times meters per second, is equal to negative 100 kilograms times meters per second plus P2, which is what we're looking for. In order to solve this equation, I add 100 to each side, and I get negative 50 kilograms times meters per second equals P2. So that's your answer.